Hi everyone, I hope you'll stay with us long enough to drive through the village of Castleton. This is a very popular tourist village, up through into Winnats Pass. From Winnats Pass we'll put the drone up and have a look from another perspective. Castleton is a very popular tourist village deep within the Peaks district. The village becomes very crowded during the warmer months. There's lots of gift shops, cafes, restaurants, and 4 show caves to be visited. One of these show caves is called Treak Cliff Cavern. It's just behind the car park that you'll see very shortly. That belongs to a Neolithic family dating back approximately 5,500 years. The Neolithics were the new Stone Age people who started to cultivate plants and domesticate animals for food rather than rely solely on hunting and gathering. The drone turns around and you get a view across the countryside, so beautiful, so green. It eventually looks back towards the village of Castleton. Later this year we'll be driving through more than 18 national parks in the United States and Canada. It would be really great if you'd consider subscribing to our channel so you can follow us as we drive through these national parks later in the year. The drone's flying over another car park. You can see where the cars are parked on the side of the road. You'll see people walking down the hill. They're walking down from a place called Mam Tor. At the top of that hill, there's a Bronze Age hill fort. Historical research has traced a settlement of Celts at this location dating back 3,000 years. I hope you enjoyed this rather amateur video clip, and thanks very much for watching.